What's up, everybody? It's May 1st. This quarantine crap has been going on, and this COVID has been going on since March. And honestly, it's time to get up, get out, and see what's going on and live life. Live life. We're gonna head into Target. I'm not sure what I'm gonna find. I am here to pick up some items that I ordered online, so I decided to document my journey to see if I am gonna check out the clearance. I'm gonna check out some other items that I know sell right now. And yeah, we started shipping into FBA. I am still doing, I'm about 80%. I was 100% merchant fulfilled. I'm now 80% merchant fulfilled and slowly sending in FBA shipments. Until I want to get to 50-50, 50 FBM, 50 FBA, and then kind of go from there. As soon as I see my FBM sales kind of slinking, then I may transition to 80% FBA and you know, try to flip the coin. But right now, FBM is still doing well. I'm still getting buy boxes. I'm still crushing it. You guys see my IG, at Richie Hustles. You guys see all the stacks, Monday stacks, Tuesday stacks, Friday stacks, every day friggin' stacks. So without further ado, let's hit at the Target. Let's just see if we could find anything. Yeah, I've been crushing Walmart clearance. I wish I had my camera with me to video it, but that's why I want to take my camera whenever I go. You're gonna start seeing videos where I'm either gonna find things or I'm not gonna find things, but I'm really just trying to document my journey so you can see what I go through, because it's not a home run. Sometimes I find 0, sometimes I find 1, sometimes I find 30, sometimes I drop 20 bucks, sometimes I drop 800, sometimes I drop 1500. It just depends. Especially in these times, people aren't getting deliveries. It's just everything's out of whack right now, so it's really just kind of on a whim. So bear with me. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're watching these videos. Keep hustling. Let's go see what we can find. Let's go. It's a crazy time to be alive right now, but just see everybody's just I guess scared, fearful, whatever. You know me, I'm fearless. So let's go. And I just noticed this Target doesn't even say Target. There's no logo, no sign, no nothing. Check it out.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer. Try to forget.
You can see there's no clearance aisle here. There's only clearance end caps. And there's really nothing. Nothing on clearance. I don't even see any full price items like I usually see in some of them. And we just have to keep looking. We might have to go to a different department. Ooh, wait a minute. That's the pack. Let me check this out. Honestly, I might buy that for myself. Look at that. I knew it. Okay. I might keep that for myself though. It's a little wet down there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a collector too. Oh, look at them. Oh, but they're $20. But honestly, I think I'm gonna buy them all. I'm gonna buy them all, and here's why. I'll explain to you in a second why. So, the rank on them is 162. It's okay for toys, right? It's all right. But it's Super Mario, it's Nintendo, it's gonna sell, right? And if we look at $38.99, $28.16, so I'm gonna pay $20, so I'm gonna make $8 profit, okay? Minus 50 cents or whatever for shipping and all that other crap. But like, I make like $7 profit. That's a pretty good, that's pretty good on a $20 purchase. And I know it's gonna sell as soon as it gets checked in. I know it's gonna sell. Check out something else that I'm gonna do for you right now. Ready? We're gonna look at Scoutify 2 app. Scoutify. What does the Scoutify 2 recommend? So it's this one here. So the total cost, the target cost is $18. We're going to be paying $19.99. Not too bad off the target cost. Okay, it's ranked 162,293 out of 6.1 million in toys. Okay. But we got to check the Keepa graph. When we look at the Keepa graph, okay, it sells. You can see the biggest jump. It was sold for probably $47, but we're not looking to sell at $47. Right? It sells pretty well at between $30 and $35. Keepa graph's okay. I'm not gonna lie, the Keepa graph is all right. The buy box used to be at $34. The buy box has gone up to $38.99. I mean, look, if I'm going to spend $20, $40, $60, $80, and I'm going to make back $8, $16, $24, $32. Spend $80, get my $80 back, plus $32. I think it's worth it. And to tell you the truth, honestly, I think I'm going to keep one of them because I'm a collector. So I think we're going to keep one and we'll send in 3. Let's see what else they got. You know my love for Funko. This is turning into like a personal shopping adventure right now. We're gonna pick this up. Boom. Let's actually see what we could get for it though. If we were to sell that on Amazon. Not even listed because the shit came out today. So I always like to see if there's any chase versions, but I don't think there is. right, guys, look at this. So let me put my phone down for a second. So we came to another clearance end cap. And we have this frozen, they look like mini snow globes. $7.48. When we scan it, $16.82. It's in the home section. So that's actually not that bad of a rank in home, considering it's out of 86 million. So 470,000 out of 86 million. That's not a bad rank. We're gonna FBA that. It's new. We're gonna send it in. Not a bad find, cute find. I mean, it might not sell obviously till the winter time. It looks very wintry and Christmassy, but we'll put it in the bag. Let's see what else we can find. These things are still around. I don't even know if it's on clearance. A lot of times these clearance things don't have stickers on them. Let's continue our journey.
I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
So household supplies continue to be a hot item. So I'm also here to see if I can pick up any household items that I've been buying. Can't show you though.
She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Just look how empty these shelves still are. It is May 1st. These shelves still empty.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
So I didn't find anything in the household supplies. It's empty, but I did place an online order that I have to pick up at the customer service desk. So we're gonna pick those up, but I do wanna check electronics clearance before we head out. Let's go.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So this is their clearance, I guess. It's not much to pick from, so doesn't look like we'll be shopping electronics clearance here. All right, let's keep it moving.
Darling dear, you're never here. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
They stopped me at the register because that Funko, the R2-D2, has a street date of May 10th, and today's May 1st. They would not sell it to me. Even though they had, you saw, they had about 10 or 12 of them on the floor, they would not sell it to me. So I think that's kind of messed up. I believe there's certain laws in Massachusetts. I'm in Massachusetts, and I just want to see if they would have had to have sold it to me or not. But I just got a manager's number just so I can voice my concern about it, because it would have been nice to have that to my collection. I had no idea it was a street date for May 10th, but apparently it does, and they will not override it. So yeah, fun stuff. But we got some items, and I actually forgot to pick up my customer service because I was so aggravated. So I have to go back in there and pick up my order. So oh well.
All right, guys, so that's it. That was my Target run. We found a couple of items, not too much. They really don't have much on clearance, but that's it. That's the name of the game, right? We're hunters, so we hunt things. Guys, listen, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Show me some love in the comments. Share, like, subscribe. Please subscribe down below. Let me know you're participating. Yeah, follow me on IG at Richie Hustles, Twitter at Richie Hustles. And hopefully shit gets back to normal soon, because I miss it. I miss TJX companies, and I miss Home Goods, Marshalls, all that stuff. So hopefully we'll get back to normal soon. I'll catch you guys on the next hustle.